how to import globally referenced Dot3D scan data into Autodesk ReCap, even when the coordinates are very large. First, export an E57 file from Dot3D, then open the E57 file in CloudCompare and press yes to all when you see the prompt about shifting scale, while also leaving the box checked to preserve global shift on save. Now, once that import is completed, we want to merge each of the individual frames of Dot3D data by selecting them all on the left and then pressing the merge button in blue and red. And now we're ready to export this again to the E57 format, which we'll then be able to import into Autodesk ReCap. To open the E57 file we just exported into Autodesk ReCap, we're just going to open up a new project, select Files to Import, and bring it straight in. And there we have it, our full density detailed Dot3D scan with no lines or artifacts caused by the large coordinates.